boy Togo doing work back again, man. I got an unboxing video, man. Shout out to everybody that's tuning into the channel. Shout out to the new people that's coming on. My workaholics, y'all already know what's going on. But all the new people, guess what? You now going over Togo doing work. You know, I'm about to unbox this Ybell. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be like a 4-on-1 type of you know, dumbbell, kettlebell type of contraption that they build. You know, got a triangular shape. You know what I'm saying? It's real new on the market. I think a few of y'all been seeing it on YouTube, on Instagram. A lot of people trying it out, especially a lot of the big YouTubers and big people in the fitness community been trying it out. And I said I had to get my hands on it because it's real dope. You know what I'm saying? They got it in different sizes. Of course, you got small, medium, large, up to XL. The XL about 27 pounds. And you know, that's pretty much where I'm at with it, especially when it comes to doing stuff in home workouts. I usually stay around 25 to 30 pounds, so I think the XL is the biggest or the heaviest one that they got. It's about 27.5 pounds, something like that. So I said, let me get this. I went and got 2 of them joints because, you know, obviously I wanted to do the dumbbell stuff. I like to do the alternating presses. I like to do delt raises. I like to do a lot of things, so one wasn't enough for me, but, you know, I ain't gonna hold you, man. I'm excited to try this out, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, see what it's looking like, and, you know, I'm even gonna do a couple workouts, you know, a couple movements with it to break it in, see how I feel about it, and let y'all know if y'all should go invest in this or not. All right, so where is my scissors? That's a good question, right? I just had it. I don't know where it's at, but we going. I'm gonna use this little machine right here. Cut open this box. See what it's looking like. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Ybell. And no, I'm not getting paid to promote this product at all. I'm just very interested in the product. I'm not getting paid. Once again, I'm not getting paid. It's just me, Togo doing work, liking something and wanting to try it out. This joint's pretty heavy too. It said the package is about 50-something pounds. So, you already see one of the boxes. Keep the packaging on that. Joint definitely ain't light. We're gonna get this out the way. Bring this down. Definitely not like. So now I really don't know what I do with these scissors. You know what? Find some other scissors. I'm gonna cut this off. Cut that off. You know, got staples in it and everything, man. So you know they ain't playing around with their packaging. You know, I'll move that out the way. Y'all tell me in the comments below, man, if I should do more unboxing videos and stuff that I got, you know what I'm saying? Stuff that I'm purchasing, because, you know, I'm really invested in this fitness thing, the fitness journey. You know what I'm saying? On top of that, I also want to share with y'all what I got going on, what I'm doing. So just let me know if you want me to, you know, in the comments, you know, do more unboxing videos on products that I buy, try, you know, and shit like that. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm all over the place with this joint. Another thing, man, drink water, man. Gotta stay hydrated. Packaged all the way, man. So, this joint definitely not light. I'm gonna go ahead and move this out the way. Get the other one. Oh, my God. Ooh. This joint might be 27 pounds, but this is a different type of 27 pounds, but still. Look, that's got some weight to it. Okay. We got it right here, man. the Ybell. I'm gonna take the packaging off that they were so kindly generous to put on there. And make sure y'all like this video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, follow the channel, you know, hit the bell, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm trying to keep growing, taking the fitness journey to another level. I want people to keep going up with me, so I would appreciate if y'all do that, you know, make sure that we keep going up to the next level. So here you go, man. That's what it look like. Got the black. It got this nice little grippy, you know, material to it. I don't know if it's clay or whatever the fuck it is, but it feels good. It's weight. It's real easy for you to grip it. Obviously, like I said, it's 27 pounds. I said it's 27 and a half. It's 27 pounds on 12 kgs. For y'all people that do the kg thing, I do the pound thing. You know, got the XL on it. If you turn it around, it got the Ybell logo on it. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, the way it's set up is you can use it in different ways, man. You can use it if you want to do, you know, renegade rows. You can use it to row. You know what I'm saying? You see how I'm rowing? You can use it to row. You can use it to do, you know what I'm saying, delt raises. You know, you can use it in a kettlebell format if you squat it and you just, feel me? Use it in that sense. You know what I'm saying? If you a dude that, you know, does side raises, just raise. You know what I'm saying? Curl it. You know what I'm saying? See the contraction? This joint real good. You can press up, you can press out, you can press like that. You can do so many different things with this as I'm demonstrating to you. So, you know, I'm definitely excited, you know, for what's to come with this Ybell. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a lot of workouts. I'm gonna, you know, take this joint with me, different places, go to the beach, you know what I'm saying? Go to boardwalks, go to parks. It's something you can, you know, carry with you very easily and get things done, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, you can show the person with this joint, you know what I'm saying? You can, like I said, got the nice grip. Just go up like that. You know what I'm saying? Woo. You know, this joint real good. Like, I'm already falling in love with it. So, man, shout out to Ybell for this crazy creation, man. It's supposed to be, like I said, like a 4-in-1 type thing. You can do so many different things with this equipment, man. So, I'm gonna say right now, off the rip, you should try this out. And I think it's good because, think about it, you know, a lot of people got a house full of, you know, a lot of people work out at home and they got a house full of, you know, kettlebells, dumbbells, that take up space, but you got something like this, it does all this in one. You understand me? So this is real dope. Like I said, you can even use this to do push-ups off of, you know what I'm saying, when you doing your renegade rows, when you dropping down doing push-ups like that. You could do it in different formats. You could do so many different things. So, like I said, I appreciate Ybell for making this creation. I think I'm already digging it. I like the design. I like the little triangle thing they got going on, or the Y. I guess what they got going on, man. So stay tuned, man. We got more videos to come. I'm probably gonna start getting into like unboxing like my tennis shoes that I wear. And you know, just more vlogging. You follow me around as I'm doing what I'm doing on the fitness journey. You know what I'm saying? I'm really falling in love with, you know, staying in shape. You know, the mindset that come behind this, you know. And I want to give it out to the world because the world deserves, you know, to see, you know, the world deserves to see, the world deserves to see, like, you know, people that's elevating, you know what I'm saying? There's so much negativity that's going on in the world, but you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to use my channel, you know what I'm saying, my platform to show another side, you know what I'm saying? Show people that's on point, that want to do good, that want to take their life to another level, you feel me? As far as, you know, mind, body, soul, spiritually, all that stuff, man. Lock in with me, man. I'm about to be out, man. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, man, all my workaholics, y'all already know what it is, but if you're new to the video, you just went over to it doing work. Appreciate you. Like, man, tell me what you know what I'm saying, what you want to see next. Lock in with me, tap in, follow the Instagram at Toga Doing Work. Follow the website. I'm going up now. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that's trying to do the fitness one-on-one, hit me, man. In my DMs, hit me in my email. I'll lock in with you, and we'll try to get it to the next level and get you great. Like I said, man, follow the page, hit that bell, subscribe so you get a notification for the next video. You know, I told you don't work.